How to change country or region on Spotify. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Spotify app on your mobile. As you open Spotify app on your mobile, then you have to go on settings. As you go on settings, then you have to scroll down and go on support option. As you go on support option, it will take you to a web page. Now over here you have to write change region. Click on that. As you click on that, then scroll down and click on option to log into your account page. As you click on this option, you will go into this kind of page, and now you have to scroll down and under country or region option, by clicking on edit profile and on going to country or region option, you can change your country or region on Spotify. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.